welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin. We're going to get rid of grease. We're going to get rid of dirt. We're going to also get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. What we're going to be doing, we are going to be exfoliating the skin. Now, when it comes on to exfoliating the skin, you need to exfoliate the skin at least 2 to 3 times per week. This is going to help your skin to look healthier. It's going to help to get rid of pigmentation, and it's also going to help your beauty products to work better on the skin. Now take a look. Here I have my exfoliator, and this is an amazing exfoliator, and I'm just going to pour a bit in my hands like this, rub it up, and then I'm going to exfoliate my skin. Exfoliating the skin in circular motion, and this exfoliator will help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. I'm using fresh aloe vera gel in this recipe, guys. This helps my skin to look so healthy, so fresh, and I use this 2 to 3 times per week on my skin. And when I'm done with this, my skin just have this amazing natural glow to it. So I exfoliate my skin for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the mood I'm in, and then I rinse off. Now guys, do not go away, continue watching, because I'm going to share the recipe with you, and at the end of the video I am going to show my after. You are going to be blown away of how amazing this actually helped my skin to look and also feel. So stay tuned for the recipe, and then I'll come back to reveal. Today I'm going to be using some baking soda. Baking soda is the same as sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda can be used to banish pimples, lighten dark spots, prevent blackheads, get rid of dead skin cells. It is also great to use to remove ingrown hair. It helps to eliminate body odor, and it also helps to give your lips a soft pink luster. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the baking soda. We're adding this to our bowl. And next I'm going to reach for my second ingredient. And here I have some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel also contains antibacterial properties, which will help to get rid of pigmentation on the skin. Great for glowing skin. Also, aloe vera gel have moisturizing properties, which will help to moisturize and hydrate the skin. Good to use on most skin type. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to extract the fresh aloe vera gel. For this recipe, if you do not have fresh aloe vera, you can go ahead and you can use the store-bought aloe vera gel. So you can extract the gel by scraping, like I'm showing here, or you can extract it by blending. Today I'm just going to scrape since I'm making enough for just one application. So scrape the gel, and if you're using the store-bought gel, go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of the store-bought aloe vera gel. Now once this is done, we are gonna blend the 2 ingredients together. So we're blending fresh aloe vera gel and baking soda. This is gonna take a while since the aloe vera gel is very jelly-like. You can also choose to put this in a blender and blend. I just like to use the whisk to whisk it. Now I'm gonna reach for some liquid, and my liquid of choice is rose water, and rose water is very hydrating to the skin. I'm gonna use about a teaspoon of the rose water, pour this in, and this is also gonna help the baking soda to blend with the aloe vera gel better. So once we mix and take a look, this is how jelly you're gonna get this. And what we're gonna do with this after, we are gonna set it aside. The aloe vera mixed with the baking soda is gonna dissolve to a more liquefied consistency. If you want to speed up this process, however, go ahead and place it in the blender. So I'm going to add one more ingredient to this, especially if you have dry skin. Here I have some honey, and honey is a humectant which will help to lock the moisture in the skin. We're using just a bit of the honey in this, run about 1 teaspoon of the honey. Now if you do not have honey for this recipe, go ahead and add a little bit of vegetable glycerin, same amount, 1 teaspoon. And now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well, totally blending the honey in the aloe vera gel and the baking soda with rose water. This is going to take about a minute or so. Now once this is done, you're just going to set this aside and leave it there for about an hour or so. Take a look, guys. After an hour, this is what it's going to look like. The aloe vera gel is going to be more jelly-like, and everything is just going to be blended together nicely. Still very much slimy. Now do not click off. Continue watching to see how this has actually worked on my skin. Now take a look, guys. This is my after. My skin is just feeling really smooth right now. It's like velvet. And not only that, my skin look amazing. I love this. At least twice a week, guys. At least twice a week. This will help your skin to get that healthy look, that natural glow. So give it a go, and remember, it's pretty easy to make. So there you have it, my amazing exfoliator that I personally use on my skin to have my skin looking healthy, clear, and also with that natural glow. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and comment. And you might not have fresh aloe vera gel. You can go ahead and you can use the store-bought aloe vera gel for this recipe. Just make sure that it is about 95 to 99% pure aloe vera gel. Thank you all, and guess what? If this was your first time watching and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.